Today we're gonna do a couple of really fun things you can do at home to give to the person that you're in love with or to make for yourself. Because if you don't have someone to love on Valentine's Day,
that's true.
Self-love is always important, right?
Seriously.
Yeah, absolutely.
When I was single, I would buy myself a bouquet on Valentine's
As you should,
Day.
and today we're gonna make one.
Okay.
So we're making a beautiful ice cream cone bouquet. So you get a champagne glass, you get an ice cream cone.
And a little waffle cone.
It's fun and different. Yeah, and you know they always go stale really quickly.
That's right.
So a way to repurpose a stale cone, get some flowers from the garden, the grocery store, and we're just gonna start arranging. There's no right or wrong way. If you wanna go all one color, you wanna mix it.
Wait till you see mine, and then you decide if there's a wrong way, okay, Joe?
All right, and it's really fun, and you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, as many as you want.
It's a sweet way to dress the table, too, if you are making your sweetheart dinner.
100%. This will last you for Valentine's Day, no problem. But if you want to keep it a little bit longer, you want that love to burn a little longer, put a wet paper towel and wrap it with saran wrap at the bottom. And then that, because you can't put water in a cone.
Of course.
You don't want a leaky cone. So.
What about ice cream? Would the flowers do okay if there was ice cream in there?
Probably not. Maybe not edible, but our next treat here is
That's really adorable. It's very sweet.
Is one that we will eat and drink together. So you can do this with a sparkling rosé or a sparkling champagne. We're gonna put a little bit of cotton candy in the glass.
Ooh, I like where this is
Yep.
going.
So this is gonna, if you just have Prosecco or champagne, this will give you the color that you want.
First of all.
Always.
Why is this happening? You gotta hold on. We're literally putting that much in a glass, and you're telling me you got this here? This is insane.
Oh my.
I'll be right here.
I'll be right here. I think I found my new Valentine's Day boyfriend. Here we go.
Don't tease me.
It's like a champagne cocktail.
It's a champagne cocktail, and then the fun of it is you take all of the cotton candy you want and put it on top. Not inside, because the moment it touches the water, it'll evaporate. So you want to make a fun garnish.
So you need to balance him.
And then you stick a nice straw in there. And now you got a drink. Cheers.
That's kind of awesome. Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah. And as we move along, these are so cute. They're teddy bears with hearts, and you just glue them on with some frosting. And you can put them out on a plate. You can put them on your pillow when they wake up in the morning on their breakfast. They're cute little treats. Great, right?
I don't think that was frosting.
You are going to hit a sugar wall in like an hour.
I'll tell you what. I'm already like freaking out.
He's going to go, hi, I'm home. Woo.
I love Rachael Ray. I love Rachael Ray. I love Valentine's Day. And then lastly, we're gonna spell out the word love. You buy the wooden or cardboard letter.
Yeah.
You take some hot glue and some chunky ribbon or yarn here, and you just wrap it. The hot glue is your starting point, so that
you don't need to coat the whole thing.
You don't need to coat the whole thing. The hot glue is just to get you started here.
Just to get you going.
Yep, make sure you do not touch the hot glue. Hot glue is hot. And then you just wrap. Do you want to wrap? Are you okay?
I think we need to boost a couple of these props here. I think he needs to take some ringers from you and just bring yours home.
I think there's no rush in doing this. It's not a race, Jason. We're okay. I'm winning if it is. And essentially, you can go with whatever shade of pink you want, reds, yellows, oranges.
Again, this is such an affordable, silly little fun way to make a Valentine.
So cool.
And then,
can you imagine if you walked into like this being on you?
In the pink champagne cocktails and the flowers.
I mean, if they don't know you love them from all of this, there's a problem, right?
You could just